శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ప్రథమస్కంధం, Suta Maharshi revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, now Parikshit Narendra requesting all the Maharshis, saying that Samagataha Sarvata eva sarve, you all came from different places of this entire universe. You all came here only because you have compassion on me. You want to bless me, that is why you all came here. O Maharshis, you are all the people who always wish for the welfare of the entire world. O Maharshis, now I have one request. You all please think about it and then give me the essential answer to me for my question. O Maharshis, the one who is now about to die, what he must be doing, where he must be fixing his mind, where he must be engaging his sensory organs. Saptahambula muktike gudugatim chirchinchi bhashimpare. You all please discuss among yourselves and think very deep about my question and give me answer. You all please suggest me what should I be doing now. Like that, Parikshit Narendra requested all the Maharshis. At that time, while Parikshit Narendra requesting, Tatra Abhavat Bhagavan Vyasaputro Yadruchaya. Vyasaputra Sri Sukha Maharshi, the one who has no desires at all, came down there. Vyasaputra Sukha Maharshi, the one who has been wandering around the entire world, came down there. Vyasaputra Sri Sukha Maharshi, who has been paying and focusing all of his attention on his soul, which is supported by Paramatma, came down there. Vyasaputra Sri Sukha Maharshi, the one who is enjoying himself, enjoying Atma Darsanam, which is supported by Parabrahma, now came down there. Vyasaputra Sri Sukha Maharshi, who has been enjoying the bliss, Nijalabhatushtaha, the eternal bliss, while living in this body, while paying his complete attention to Atma, which is supported by Parabrahma. Now Vyasaputra Sukha Maharshi came down and standing right there near Parikshit Narendra. Yadruchaya, he did not plan to come over there. He just came down by himself without even planning. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.